What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel if you're a current subscriber. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and thanks for stopping by. Alright, today's going to be kind of a short, quick video, hopefully, on how to remove the glove box from a 97 Jaguar XJ6 X300. I'm doing this because I'm trying to track down an issue with all my windshield wipers don't work, or windshield wiper doesn't work. So basically it's just going to be the removal of it, and it'll go back in just like you take it out. So I'm going to spin you around and we'll get started. Like I said, hopefully this will be kind of a short and sweet kind of video, but we'll see. Alright, hopefully you can see that. It's kind of a weird angle, I know. It's kind of hard to get a camera right here too. So as far as I can see, looks just like you're just going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. If you need more than that, we'll figure it out as we go. But first thing I'm going to do is open the glove box up, and there are 4 Phillips head screws in here. One is actually laying in the glove box. So I'm going to take those out. Like I said, I'm doing this to try to track down an issue with my windshield wipers. I can't get to work. And if you know anything about it, leave it in the comment. But my relays are good, my fuses are good. I replaced my switch, my wiper switch, and I still get nothing. But I could jump the relay, the motor works. I could pull the fuse while the motor's on, the motor quits. So I'm just trying to track down one of these grounds right here, I guess. But anyway, those 4 are out. You have one right here. Take that one out. And basically the difference is that these right here go in the glove box, and the one with the washer goes in the, I don't know, we're gonna call it a bezel, but the trim piece right here. And then you have another one that's kind of over here and down. So I'm gonna shut this and try to get under here. I cannot see it. Alright, I'm going to open this back up, and now once you have those out, this should pop off just like so. You can set it down. You can unplug it from right here. Let me get this screw out before I lose it. We'll set it in the glove box, shut that back up. I'm going to set this out the way. So basically that's how you remove the glove box. Put it back in the same way it comes out, and you're good to go if that's all you're doing, or replacing something on it or whatnot. But I gotta figure out my wipers today, so stay tuned for that video. I'm not going to show it all, but once I figure it out, I'll go through the process of what I did and show you the bad point, at least the bad spot, or whatever it is. I may have to figure out this BCM situation too. So, but again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. And again, if you're new, make sure you hit stay tuned or hit the notification bell to keep up with the videos that are coming out. I know they're kind of coming out kind of random, and I haven't put them out in a while, but hopefully we get back to it. See y'all in the next one.